In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a workspace in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, to add a workspace, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the menu navigation on the left sidebar of the screen, and we go to the upper left corner and click on our name in here. When you click the drop down on our name, this would then direct us to various options. As you can see, we have here the button for add new workspace. So you simply click this, and this will then prompt the steps on how to create a workspace in Notion. So you simply select the purpose of your Notion workspace to customize your experience. Let's say for personal life. Now you choose whether you do it with others or on my own. Let's say on my own only. Then you can also select the specific purposes of this workspace. You can simply skip this for now or just click anything that is based on your preference or based on the need. Let's say skip for now. And after that, you select your plan. Let's say we're going to stick on the free plan in here. We simply click continue. Then we simply click skip in here as well if you don't want to install it on your desktop. And after that, you have now successfully created a new workspace. And that's about it. That's how to create a workspace in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.